Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a get it all done with me video. In this video, I will be doing some things around my house that needed to be done that I have been putting off, such as starting off with my yard under my carport. I do have some dead plants that's been like last winter, I want to say, was dead from like a freeze that we had, and so it's been sitting here and it's been like an eyesore. So the soccer net, the plants, the little metal things, the oil, all that has just been sitting under the carport for a long time, and when I pull up, I just hate how congested it looks. So right now I'm just taking all the dirt and the dead plants and putting them inside of the trash bag, clearing out underneath the carport a little bit and sweeping and stuff. And I am cleaning, I'm killing a bug as you can see. And y'all, this is not the best outfit for me to be doing this yard work. I don't know what made me think that wearing this dress was a good idea, but I got the job done anyway. But yeah, so I'm just kind of like clearing out this space just a little bit. You know, it's not nothing, you know, fantastic. We do not have a shed. We will be getting one soon. But until then, you know, we will have to store some things underneath the carport. And so, like I said, I'm just cleaning it out and getting it a little uncongested from what it looked like before.
And I can't seem to go on without your love. But then you just tell me to carry on, carry on, carry on. That will find its own.
Okay, so next I am removing my wallpaper from my island. I put this wallpaper up, I want to say in March of this year. I had redid my kitchen countertops and kind of like, you know, did like a kitchen refresh in here, and I added this wallpaper. And you know, it's cute and all, but it's just a little bit too tropical for me, so I will be switching this out soon with a different wallpaper. But until now, I just wanted to take it off because it's clashing with my fall decor. So that's what I'm doing next, and I have been wanting to do this for like a couple of months now, but just been putting it off. So I am removing my wall outlet cover, and I'm using a knife to unscrew this, and I do not recommend anybody doing this. When I was a little girl, I want to say like 8-9 years old, I tried to unplug the toaster with a fork because I could not reach it, and I got electrocuted. I felt a bolt go through my body, and y'all, my mama whooped my butt. Like, she told my behind up. I'm like, Mama, why did you whip me for that? You could have just told me, you know, that's, you know, you cannot use metal around a wall outlet. But no, she whooped me, and I bet you I ain't ever did it again. So I do not recommend anybody using a knife, a fork, anything right here. And even though I got electrocuted, I still did it today because I couldn't find my screw. But it is what it is.
When I look at you like that, you lose it completely. Losing track of space and time.
Okay, so moving on to get it all done job number 3. I am cleaning out my Lazy Susan. As you can see, I have something back there that is stuck. I can't even open it up all the way because I had so much stuff in here. This has been a long time coming, and it has gotten congested up really, really bad because I had a lot of things that I need to throw away in here, and you know, it just got piled up and out of control. So I'm going to remove everything out of the Lazy Susan, and then I'm going to vacuum up all the crumbs, the beans, the rice that fell. I'm going to wipe it down with my spray, clean it up, and then I'm going to put the things back that need to be put back and throw away the things that need to be thrown away.
I'm everything you need. You usually don't share any secrets. Suddenly you're an open book. When I struggle to find the words, you get me completely. It's like I've known you forever, so I wonder, do you feel it too? Magic between me and you, the way that you make me feel. You wonder if I feel the same. The blood's rushing through your veins, and then when I say your name.
Okay guys, today's scripture comes from Matthew 19 verse 26, and it says, "But Jesus beheld their thoughts, and said unto them, With men this is impossible, but if they will forsake all things for my sake, with God, whatsoever things I speak are possible. Moving on to my next job, and this is the master bathroom. So this bathroom needed to be deep cleaned really, really well. Like, I cleaned the bathroom, I wipe it down, I clean the toilet. But like it was mainly like my the rug by the bath, by the tub where you step out on was very dirty. So I went and washed that. And I just need to like kind of like really like spray and clean it really, really good behind the corners, the nooks and crannies of the countertop in the bathroom. So I'm going to do that. I'm going to mop. I needed to mop really bad because a Swiffer mop can only do so much. So yeah, like I said, I usually do clean in here, but it needs to be deep cleaned. And so that's what I'm going to be doing in this bathroom. And then after that, I'm going to do that in my other bathroom, which is the guest bathroom. I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to clean in there. I'm going to mop. I'm going to clean the toilet and sweep and stuff like that.
For my hobby, so I'm laying low. Yes, I could rethink what I'm thinking if I had control, but I don't, so don't you be asking why I love you so. Your love ain't free, it's killing me. I want it to end all, 'cause I've been trying, I've been waiting for so long. I'm waiting, waiting, waiting. Walls, there's a place for us where we could go, where we could be alone. Between city lights, we don't have to hide. I wanna go, do you wanna follow? There's something in the air, I can't explain it, but it's there. Ain't nobody gonna find us in our secret love affair. I don't wanna have to hide no more, it shouldn't be unfair.
And last but not least, I'm going to get this laundry done. I struggle so much with laundry, y'all. Like, it is a struggle for me. I have a hard time getting it done. I hate it. The two things I hate the most is doing not washing laundry, but folding laundry and unloading the dishwasher. I hate it. Like, I just hate it. I don't know why I hate it, but I just hate it. And I struggle with both of those things. And so I said I'm going to get these clothes done, because it have been times where I've washed clothes and I'm constantly digging out of the basket to get clothes out for my kids for school in the morning. And I'm like, no, I can't keep doing this. Like, I need to wash these clothes and fold them immediately, so I won't have to have those problems in the morning. So I'm going to tackle this load, and these are my kids' clothes. I'm going to tackle this, and that is my last and final get it all done with me for today. Okay?
There's something in the air, I can't explain it, but it's there. Ain't nobody gonna find us in our secret love affair. I don't wanna have to hide no more, it shouldn't be unfair. I wanna go and I wanna know, do you wanna follow? Baby, do you wanna follow? Come with me, do you wanna follow? Baby, can't you see that? I wanna go and I wanna know, do you wanna follow?
So just a little bit of encouragement for you guys in this video. I just want to let you guys know that if you pray to God for it, if you ask him for it, and if he say he gonna do it, I don't care what the situation look like. I don't care how worse it has gotten. I don't care that it seems impossible. If he said he gonna do it, he gonna do it. So keep trusting in him, keep praying, keep believing in him, keep working, keep doing what you're doing, and watch that thing manifest.
Baby, can't you see that? I wanna go and I wanna know, do you wanna follow? Between concrete walls, there's a place for us, where we could go, where we could be alone. Between city lights, we don't have to hide. I wanna go, do you wanna follow? There's something in the air, I can't explain it, but it's there. Ain't nobody gonna find us in our secret love affair. I don't wanna have to hide no more, it shouldn't be unfair. I wanna go and I wanna know, do you wanna follow?
Well, that concludes today's video, you guys. I am done. I got everything done that I needed to get done, and I'm so proud of myself, okay? So if you enjoyed this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and join my YouTube family. Make sure you hit that notification bell so that you won't miss any uploads from me. I got more content coming from you guys. I'm going to try to be more consistent here on YouTube. So pray for me, okay? And make sure you tune in, you know, watch my videos. And if you stayed this far, I really, really appreciate you. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.